Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I am going to show you how to add zoom in or zoom out on a video in CapCut PC. Without further delay, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do is just drag the video down here onto the timeline, and I'm going to move the pointer to where I want the video to start zooming in. So, once I have the video at the point where I want it to start zooming in, select the video in the timeline and go up into the top right under Video, under Basic, and just add what's called a keyframe. And that's this little diamond right here, so you should see it be blue. From there, move the pointer into the video to where you want the zoom in to finish. So, that's where I want it to finish. I'm going to go ahead up into the top right and find scale and then just push scale forward. I can also reposition the video as I zoom in by just dragging it in the preview right here. And make sure that you add a keyframe by selecting the little diamond up here. And if it's blue next to scale, then you are good. So, now if I go back and watch that video, you can see the video part is zoomed in. Now, if I want to zoom out, all I have to do is find the portion of the video where I want to zoom out, add a keyframe, then move the pointer forward to the point where I want the zoom to be completely finished. Add another keyframe and then move the scale to the left. From there, you can move the video in the preview if you want to, if you need to. And then, as you can see, I now have a zoom in and a zoom out. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.